Parang ganyan muna, no? Ay, sige, sa self-prepared ko. Yeah.
Can you explain further in your title? The word exploring is given here. Can you explain why you choose the word exploring? Yes. How do you explore this study?
Actually, sir, the first title na nilagay namin is Factors, I think. Bali, tingnan nyo lang po.
So, kasalanan
Hindi naman, sir, suggest nyo.
suggest nga siguro. Yes, sir. How do you explore it?
So, ano sir, kaya po explore po sir, parang yung study po namin scheme na matakit po yung yung mga problem and challenges na yun sa performance po ng mga bata sa shortened time allocation.
Then yung issue kasi na ginamit dito, effect, tapos yung isa na paradigm impact. Is there, ano ko siya dun sa title ng pag-explore?
Yeah, is that one where your exploration will lead you to knowing the impact? You can wait till you can You can then conduct a research mo. Through exploration of this implementation of short will lead you to knowing the impact. Tama? Tama naman, di ba? And the exploration would actually be processed in terms of interviewing the participants. Okay, so having said that, could you please walk me through how would you process the IDI or the in-depth interview with the participants? You would select the participants that you would select will become from the roster of the speakers of that. Would you talk about it?
Actually, sir, di ko interview ba, sir?
Hindi, gagawin niyo pa lang na.
Gagawin
So,
pa lang.
assuming na gagawin pa niyo nga siya
Kung
gagawin.
paano mo gagawin? Siyempre, sir, first, magano na kami. So, first, sir, bali magano na kami ng letter. Gagawa na kami ng letter kung kailan may availability time nila to interview din. Then, ano po, next is, interview mo. May ko lang, tawag doon.
So, it's mga English teachers nga rin, di ba? Mga English teachers.
Yes,
sir.
Grade level lang yan.
4 to 6.
4 to 6.
4 to 6. Or 5, 6.
And your participants only compose of how many specific number of exactly 10.
Yes.
And this 10 will be drawn randomly from, kasi randomly, so sa 10 yun, pwede dalawa ay teacher ng grade 4, tatlo ay grade 5, what we call is nagkakantak ng lessons ng only limited time, which is 4 to 5 minutes. And then what would you do after you have gathered responses from these participants?
Word by word namin sir yung mga sinasabi po. Yung sinabi po nila, kunwari nasagutan na po nila yung mga questions. Bali word by word sir, ilalagay namin sa
The coding. Coding is also you go to coding. So how would you go with the interview? Would you, asa yung question yung mga anak?
nasa last page na last page.
Nasa last page po, pakihanap yung question. So you have 10 questions.
Yes sir.
Will you just simply ask this specifically as it is not as number 1 and one participant, I ask number 1, and if I give my response, it stops there. Yun, so there will be follow-up and probing questions kasi you have to saturate things here. I mean, if it's 1:1 question or 1 answers to 1 question, baka hindi maging substantive yung makapod yung mga sagot at hindi ka makapagsabi ng things. Oh, yun, very good. So it's important that you do probing and following the probing and pag-saturate yung okay? And probably if I were one of the participants and you ask me a question like, sir, personally, how do you feel about this? Ganyan. And then I refuse to answer your questions. How would you resolve that situation?
We respect that mga person.
Pakalasan niya, Gutierrez.
We respect that mga person. Hindi po.
Pero your question is very relevant to what you're trying to look for.
Nagbibigay po kami ng ibang person.
When you mean ibang question, totally different for.
Pero kasapal mo.
So same thought, very graceful. Okay, thank you, sir.
Last one. Are these questions answers to your SOP?
Yes, sir. Yung question po kasi yan sa one, makuha ka sa
Tapos 4, 5, 6, sa second question, and then yung 7, 8, 9, 10. Tapos sa last question ko na yun.
1, 2, 3, SOP.
Ayun siya. Ito ba yun? Yung 1, 2, 3 sa SOP.
SOP 1.
Tapos, yung sa SOP ko, saan siya? 4, 5, 6.
Then the rest is SOP 8.
Tapos, 7 to 10 sa SOP.
The rest is service.
The rest po po.
Otherwise, kung hindi, seryoso siya. Seryoso. Sige, paano sa kayo sa SOP?
And congratulations on presenting your chapters 1 to 3.
Congratulations, mate.
So, well, actually, no, ito lang rin yung gusto ko malaman sana kanina, no, when it comes to your SOP. For example, dito sa number 1, so how is shortened instructional time implemented in English assessment for key stage 2 pupils? No, question, achieve po talaga natin yung SOP number 1 by asking these first 3 questions. Okay? Nakuha ba talaga natin yung implementation na gusto ninyo dito?
Yes.
For example, this one, how do you modify your English? Okay, for implementation ba yun? Kasi teacher na modify. Next, the strategies. Kasi implementation din ba yun? Challenges. So, kung challenges ito, hindi mo mas appropriate siya sa SOP number 3, common obstacles or issues. Sa tingin ninyo? Ayun. Ayan. So, what challenges have you encountered when conducting English assessment under shortened instructional time? Okay? Does it answer the implementation of English assessment?
Number 4, sir. 4
Yung interview question number 3, pasok pa ba siya dito sa SOP number 1 ninyo? Kasi sa SOP number 3, meron kayo dito common obstacles, tama? Ayan o, tingnan nyo, what challenges have you encountered? Pero pag pinuntahan mo yung SOP nyo, meron kayo dito common obstacles or issues do teacher encounter. Hindi kaya mas pasok ito sa SOP number 3 nyo kaysa sa SOP number 1? Sa tingin ninyo, Okay, siguro sa pagdesisyonan ninyo sa grupo ninyo, no? Kung saan mas pasok. Kasi yung alignment ng mga salita, dito challenges, tapos dito naman sa SOP number 3, obstacle. Di ba? So parang silang dalawa yung mas related kasi eh. Di ba? At yung pinuputo ng question, mas sa tingin ko, mas tugma siya dito sa SOP number 3 kaysa sa SOP number 1. Which is, ang gusto nyo lang naman alamin dito is yung implementation. Diba? Ayun. So, consider nyo po yun. Na, mga ma'am and sir. Okay? Next. Ito. How do educators view the impact of reducing class time in evaluating students' English proficiency? Ano yung gusto nyo tukuyin dito sa SOP number 2 ninyo? Ako kasi parang mas nakikita ko dito, no? Kung paano nakaka-apekto yung shortened instruction or limited instructional time. Ayun, no? In evaluating students' English proficiency. The impact of reduced class time. So, ibig sabihin ba yan yung naging epekto ng reduced class time? So, tingnan ninyo yung SOP number, yung interview question number 4 ninyo. How do you address these challenges? O, does it answer the word impact on SOP number 2? Baka kailangan nyo lang i-rearrange itong mga questions ninyo kung saan siya mas tugma dyan sa tatlong yan. But for sure, no, itong 10 question na to, may kalalagyan siya dyan. Sa ano na yan? Sa tatlong yun. Tignan nyo na lang kung saan mas related itong mga interview questions dito na magiging parang sub-question. Parang ito kasi yung mga sub-questions di ba? Yung ano natin, yung interview questions, no? Diba, SOP number 1. O ano yung sub-question yan? Baka ito yun, yung number 1, yung number 2. SOP number 3, ang sub-question yan, yung number 3. Baka kailangan lang i-rearrange. Right? So, tignan nyo lang din kung saan siya mas related doon sa topic. Okay? Ayun. So, yun lang. Kaya kanina pa akong pag-anong
For the technicality lang, for the technicality, sige, maganda yung parang napaparallel siya. Pero sa kasi this narrative naman, anywhere they would put it, as long as the coded theme will match it. Dun sa kanilang conclusion later, masasagot naman siya. Pero as an English teacher, in terms of writing nga, it's good that mayroong parallelism. So, yung purpose natin, diba, we studied parallelism na naman. Pero on your end, as researchers who will conduct and apply narrative here, you will be able naman to find answers to this. As long as you're able to squeeze out every information. Pero dito matugal.
Parang pagkatapos bang
If you will squeeze out every
mag-thematic analysis
point
pa kayo.
from the...
Kumbaga, hahanap yung mga common words doon sa mga sagot nila tapos lalagyan ng theme na gano'n.
Kasi mag-redundant na po yung kapag...
Sorry, ano ulit?
Redundant na po kasi, for example, sa respondent 1, same ng respondent 2 yung sagot. So, mag-i-cite na
pareho
lang.
ng sagot, tama.
Mag-i-cite na lang.
Ngayon sabi ko, on the aspect of technical writing, maganda rin sabi ni Sir na ipaparallel nila. Pero it's not going to be a problem on your end. Pag marunong nga kayo mag-probing at mag-code ng mga things, mag-saturate yung things. So, everywhere you place, parang may end okay naman. Kaya lang sabi niya, iparallel nila. So, iparallel nila lang. So nakarelay yan sa ganda ng pagtatatanong nyo at sa kapag-prove nyo para makapaglabas ng saturate nga kayo ng coded themes. Pag kayo kakaitain dito, tapos parang wala.
Magkakaroon ba ito ng translation sa Tagalog? Itong mga questions sa inyo para mas maunawaan siya ng mga teachers. Meron naman. Okay, yun.
Kasi yung mga Filipino teachers
Sa Filipino teacher nyo ipa-translate para sure na tama. Tapos i-gain the certification.
Pero this is specific to ano, di ba? English teachers.
Ay, English ba? Ay, hindi na kailangan. Akala ko, sorry. Nagkamali ako.
So it will involve transcriptions, ano? Sabi Jerry, parang dito siya, sabi ko ngayon na siya. Hindi ka kasi rin, ano ba rin yung criteria ba dito? When we are talking, dapat you are supposed to be enthusiastic na parang you're interested in eager to know the suggestion. Parang, you know that already. I like communication teacher one, I don't like yung movements na matanin
Hindi naman,
hindi.
sir.
Gusto kami to pay attention, okay? Anyway, nandiyan naman siya. So when you transcribe, is it important that you transcribe every interjection, every word? Eh, paano kapag kami ng mga answers na medyo censored, medyo personal, would you still put that in the transcription? Yes. Isa ba, nainis nga ako, hindi ba itong oras na ito? Dapat makapag-lesson ako na ganyan. Would you subscribe in that way? Exactly as it is? Yes or no? Yes.
Kasi ano po kami kasi qualitative, English.
Yeah, very good. Anyway, naman nag-code naman kayo ng team, maraming lalo sa relevance. So, kasi when we present this on the second round, which will be next week, I'm going to, ako next week. Next set, kami nilupo niya for sure. I'm going to look for the raw data. Para yung saturated encoded ninyo, ma-justify yung raw data ninyo. Para maniwala ako talaga yung mga coded things ay galing din sa mga raw data. Yung baka mamaya, instantaneous coded things na. You understand me? So everything must be transcribed, okay?
Sir, may ginagawa naman na papayagan kami ng
Come again.
record.
And now with transcription, let's give you verbatim. May kasi naman na.
Verbatim.
Okay, naman sige. Sabi ko parang mga ano kayo, parang kayo mga nerds, hindi ko ba ito wala sa
May issue ba kayo sa group niyo? Wala naman.
Si Miss
Magkakaisyo
Mendoza,
pala.
si Miss Mendoza baka pwede sasabihin, meron kang sinabi ka?
Next day, thank you po.
Yun lang eh.
Next day, yan.
Paki-off na yung ano, off the record na sasabihin.